Happy Sunday, everybody. Treetop Karma here. We got in the car this morning and drove to Olympia. It's like, what, 2 hours from us, I think.
Yeah.
We're standing here looking at this. We've yet to figure out what it's called. We'll let you know. And if you, if I turn around quickly, you can see the state capitol right there. And we're gonna try and go see that too. So I'm gonna rotate back and try not to make you guys sick. But that's what we're doing right now. Not sure what we'll find, but come with us.
Hey, tree toppers. We are in West Olympia right now at a cool place called Waterfalls Park.
Backwards, I'm sure, but that's where we're at.
And we're gonna go see what it looks like. It looks like there's a rapids running through it. We can hear it, so I'm really excited. So come with us and we're gonna check it out.
Okay. Wow, what a great day. We did some cool things. We drove 2 hours. That's fun. We love music, so that was entertaining. Got out of the car, had lunch. We actually stopped at Target for some doodads that we didn't expect. And then we went to like the marina. I don't know what it's actually called, but beautiful. This area is beautiful. Like Portland is beautiful, but this has its own like historic like charm to it. One of the things that's really charming, and as we promised, is
the capital.
The capital
in Olympia.
There it is, guys, and
Yes.
it's old and big and super dirty because they're cleaning it right now. It's under construction.
Right.
But I think we also, as you guys saw, we went to, we called it
Waterfalls Park, and it's an actual waterfall. We saw salmon
everywhere.
Probably a couple hundred salmon.
Totally unexpected. Like,
and
they're
heard,
everywhere.
I heard some people say that they're not there all the time, so we just got lucky. You know, what can I say? It happens for
everything.
us. So we enjoyed it. We got some good footage on that, and you guys will be seeing that soon. So we're wrapping it up here at the Capitol. It's not our capital, but it's Washington Capitol in Olympia.
It's like a cousin then, right?
A play cousin, maybe?
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Keep following us on our journey. It's not going to always be thrifting. It's not going to always be shabbing.
You never know what it's going to be.
Right. We just want to take you along with us, and, you know, hopefully you'll learn some stuff from us. Talk to you soon, guys.